What's up, lovely people? So today in this particular video we are going to see how we can split a column using a delimiter in Power BI. So first of all, let's understand what is a delimiter. I have written a small description about it. So splitting column in the Power BI, like we are going to split the column using a delimiter, which means that it can be a comma, a colon, a space, semicolon, or custom. The custom can be, in this we can add the delimiter as per our data. So the delimiter can be, so these are the delimiters, like the comma is a delimiter, the column is a delimiter, the space can be a delimiter, the semicolon can be a delimiter, and we can make our custom delimiters like as per our data. So this is a small description about the delimiters and how we can going to split the data. So the data set that we are going to use is a customer details data set. It's a small data set which consists only two columns, like the customer ID and the customer name. So let's see how we can split the columns in Power BI. So you just have to go to the data pane. Onto your left hand side you can see there are three options are present. First is the visualization one, the second one is the data, and third one is the connection one. So just click on to the second one, the data pane, and you can see the data set is appearing over here. So you just have to right click on it and you just have to click on to edit query. Then it will redirect you to the Power Query editor. So in the Power Query editor you can go to the more options over here, like into the home tab you can see a split column option is available. So you just have to click onto it, and there are much more options are present over here, but for now we are going to use the delimiter. So by delimiter we are going to split the column. So you just have to click on to by delimiter, and it's already giving over here that it has been selected a custom, but for now we are not going to select a custom one. We are going to select the default one, like the options which are already available into the delimiter, like the colon, comma, equal sign, semicolon, space, tab. So we are going to split the column. Let's see which column we are going to split. So the column number 2 we are going to split the column which consists of the customer name. So the first name and last name are consist with together only. So if you want to split the column, we just have to go to this, click on to by delimiter, then firstly select the column. So I have selected a customer name column, and you just have to select by which delimiter you have to split the column. So I have selected a space over here, and from which side you have to split it. So I'm going to select it from the leftmost delimiter, and after that you have to just click on to OK. So you can see over here the columns has been splitted, like in customer name column there are two fields were there. So like the first name and last name were together, so they are being splitted for right now. So this is how you can do a splitting, column splitting in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching our video. Stay tuned with us. Take care. Bye bye.